wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best ceiling fans without lights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. For a Caribbean feel, the Hunter Bayview 54 spins in with 5 plastic weather-resistant blades that look like wicker on one side and palm leaves on the other. It can be standard, angle or flush mounted and is intended for rooms of up to 485 square feet. It's Energy Star certified, however its plastic construction is a bit cheesy and it's wobbly at high speed. At number 9, the metallic Westinghouse Industrial 56 is best suited for high interior ceilings at a safe distance from curious fingers. Rated for rooms up to 360 square feet, it operates with 5 speed settings, which provide airflow of over 7,000 cubic feet per minute. It's easy to install, but there's no reverse function and the controller is antiquated. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the very stylish-looking Minka Airwave circulates a considerable amount of air for its 3 distressed color blades. It has a 52-inch diameter and functions with a 3-speed motor that can be reversed manually with a switch on the housing. It offers a remote control operation. However, this one's for interior use only, and it produces a high-pitched electrical hum. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ceiling fans without lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the compact Emerson Tilo Modern offers 3 curved plywood blades with a 30-inch diameter, making it ideal for small rooms. Appliance-wide, it comes with a dual mount feature and can be installed on standard or sloped ceilings. It includes a 4-speed controller, but assembly is somewhat tricky and it's too small to be effective outdoors. Moving up our list to number 6. The Energy Star rated Hunter Builder Elite uses 5 mahogany cherry blades to keep the air moving with economy. Its reversible whisper wind motor is dynamic enough to generate airflow of over 5,000 cubic feet per minute, yet quiet enough to not be obtrusive. It has a 52-inch blade diameter and its speed is controlled by a pull chain. However, the finish is cheap. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Casablanca Ainsworth is powered by a potent direct drive motor, which is reversible to provide uptake as well as downdraft. Operating with quiet efficacy, its 5 blades are coated to reduce the accumulation of dust buildup. It features a 4-speed pull chain, an airflow of up to 6,125 cubic feet per minute, and an Energy Star rating. At number 4, functioning at 6,000 cubic feet per minute, the elegant yet utilitarian Minka Air Roto 52 delivers some serious air circulation. This 3-bladed system is intended specifically for indoor applications and designed for cooling larger rooms. It comes with a brushed aluminum finish, a lifetime warranty, and a variable speed motor. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Because the Hunter Low Profile is flush mounted, it's an excellent choice for rooms with low clearances. Its variable speed whisper wind motor is powerful as well as quiet, and the 5 blades are treated for dust reduction. It features a 42-inch diameter and a 3-speed pull chain. It's very affordable too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ceiling fans without lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the oil-rubbed bronze Emerson Veranda is UL rated for wet conditions and is constructed for use both indoors and outside. With a 42-inch span, it will circulate the air in a bedroom or on a patio at 4,421 cubic feet per minute. It's equipped with 5 all-weather blades and a pull chain control, plus it can be adapted for a light fixture if required. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Sharp Hunter Contemporary Cassius is Energy Star certified for maximum performance, which saves money on cooling expenses. It's damp rated for use in the home as well as open air environments, and has a reversible motor controlled by a pull chain. It features a limited lifetime motor warranty and 3-position mounting options. It's an excellent dollar value. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ceiling fans without lights, or simply click beneath this video.